I don't know about you, but I hate noises while I'm riding. This weekend, I started getting a creaking, clicking noise from the bottom bracket area. And immediately, because I have a press and fit bottom bracket, I started investigating replacement and the labor and the cost and doing that. But before, just to confirm it, not to fix it, I went and bought some WD-40 and was riding, and when it started creaking, I shot the two bottom bracket bearings. Nothing. Didn't change the noise or anything. Got back on, rode a little more, it was creaking again. This time I shot the pedal axle bearings. Bang. I got it. Saved me a ton of money and a ton of time.